From its founding, Knight's Armament Company has produced a wide range of rifles, carbines, suppressors, and military support weapons adopted by armed forces and civilian shooters alike. Combining precision engineering with modular design, here's an overview of every KAC weapon ever made. Starting off with rifles and carbines, KAC Revolver Rifle, an experimental suppressed carbine utilizing a revolver cylinder mechanism to eliminate gas escape. This unusual design achieved exceptional sound suppression, but remained a prototype, never entering production due to complexity and specialized ammunition requirements. SR-15, the flagship semi-automatic carbine, featuring the revolutionary E3 bolt, with increased bearing surface and round locking lugs. Available in multiple barrel lengths and configurations, it sets the benchmark for reliability and accuracy in civilian AR pattern rifles. SR-16, the select fire variant, built for military and law enforcement contracts. Incorporating the same E3 bolt technology as the SR-15, it offers full auto capability with enhanced durability for demanding operational use across various configurations. Then SR-25, the original 7.62mm NATO precision rifle that revolutionized semi-automatic accuracy. Featuring a match-grade barrel and enhanced bolt carrier group, it proved gas-operated platforms could rival bolt-action precision across numerous military variants. SR-30, purpose-built for 300 AAC blackout, optimized for suppressed operations. The platform excels with both subsonic and supersonic ammunition, offering versatility in compact configurations, ideal for close quarters and urban environments with reduced signature. SR-47, a specialized upper receiver accepting standard AK-47 magazines and 7.62 by 39mm ammunition. Designed for special operations requiring compatibility with foreign ammunition sources while maintaining AR-15 ergonomics and handling characteristics. KS Series, the latest generation platform recently adopted by British Royal Marines, features integral suppressor compatibility, ambidextrous controls, and KeyMod or M-Lock attachment systems. Available in multiple variants including the KS-1 and upper receiver groups for enhanced modularity. M110 SASS, the semi-automatic sniper system adopted by the US Army in 2007. Based on the SR-25 platform, it features a 20-inch barrel, suppressor, and Leopold scope. Provides designated marksman rapid follow-up capability out to 800 meters. M110A2, an evolution incorporating a shorter 16-inch barrel for improved maneuverability. Features updated ergonomics, adjustable gas system, and enhanced rail interface. Designed to address feedback from Afghanistan and Iraq combat operations for dynamic engagements. The next one, M110A3. The newest M110 variant featuring a collapsible buttstock and optimized barrel profile. Incorporates lessons learned from over a decade of combat deployment. Maintains precision while improving portability and adaptability for modern asymmetric warfare scenarios. Next, Mark 11 Mod 0, the US Navy SEAL designation for their SR-25 variant. Features corrosion-resistant coating for maritime operations, match-grade barrel, and suppressor capability. Combat-proven in extreme environments from desert to littoral zones, providing precision fire support. Mark 12 SPR, the special purpose rifle, developed by NSWC Crane as an upper receiver group. Uses components from multiple manufacturers, including Douglas barrels and various rail systems. Knight's Armament provided some components, but did not manufacture the complete system. Continuing with SMG and shotgun, KAC PDW. Chambered in the proprietary 6mm by 35mm cartridge, this personal defense weapon features a unique rotating bolt and folding stock. Designed for extreme compactness while maintaining effectiveness at close to medium ranges. KAC Master Key, a 12-gauge breaching shotgun mounting beneath an M4 carbine. Designed for rapid door breaching in close quarters battle. 3-round tube capacity with pump action, allowing operators to breach and immediately transition to primary weapon. Moving on to machine guns and automatic weapons. Stoner LMG. Eugene Stoner's revolutionary belt-fed light machine gun design from the 1960s. Features a modular system allowing caliber conversion and configuration changes. Remarkably lightweight at under 10 pounds, It offered unprecedented mobility for sustained automatic fire.
Then Stoner 96,
A modernized evolution of the original Stoner LMG platform. Incorporates improved materials and manufacturing techniques while retaining the revolutionary modular design. Features enhanced reliability and easier field maintenance for light machine gun applications.
Now this is the KAC LAMG, the light assault machine gun, utilizing a proprietary constant recoil system.
Fires from an open bolt with remarkably low recoil impulse, enabling accurate offhand fire. Chambered in 5.56mm NATO with high cyclic rate and exceptional controllability.
The next one, KAC AMG, the assault machine gun,
designed for sustained fire superiority. Features a heavier barrel profile and enhanced cooling system compared to the LAMG. Provides squad-level automatic weapons capability with improved durability for extended engagements.
Continuing with grenade launcher systems, EX41, SFW, the shoulder-fired weapon,
a pump-action 40mm grenade launcher. Features a revolving cylinder holding multiple rounds for rapid deployment. Designed as a more portable alternative to traditional grenade launchers, while maintaining devastating anti-personnel and anti-materiel capabilities.
Ending with prototype, experimental, and competition weapons. SR50, a semi-automatic 50 BMG anti-materiel rifle featuring a distinctive bullpup configuration. Designed to provide long-range precision against vehicles and equipment, the unusual layout reduces overall length while maintaining a full-length barrel for maximum effectiveness.
KAC Chainsaw, an experimental light machine gun concept featuring a chainsaw-style grip configuration. Designed to improve hip-fire controllability and maneuverability in confined spaces. The radical ergonomics explored alternative approaches to sustained automatic fire handling.
SR25 Tub Competition Match,
a precision variant developed with champion long-range shooter David Tubb. Features match-grade components, specialized trigger, and optimized barrel for extreme accuracy. Built specifically for competitive shooting disciplines requiring sub-MOA accuracy at extended distances.
Then Stoner LMG-A, a proposed modernization of Eugene Stoner's original light machine gun concept.
Incorporates contemporary materials and manufacturing methods while preserving the modular architecture. Represents an advanced interpretation of the revolutionary 1960s design for modern applications.